Hi guys, so this is our weather here. It's super windy, dusty again. I don't know what's going on. So this is it. Look it. I don't know if you can see that. It's so windy. But this is me. Because the allergy is bad, so I wear this, but it doesn't help. Super windy. And I don't know where's my car. Ah. Super windy, guys. Super windy. OMG. Hold my car, my window, or my door so it doesn't. Okay guys, I'll see you when I see you. This is the road. That's the road. We cannot see. We still see, but dusty.